In this video, we will explain how to order a laptop key. Once you find the model of the laptop key you are needing, in this example, we will use a 15-inch Apple MacBook Pro Retina display keyboard. Step 1 will be to select your key in the drop-down menu. In this example, we are going to choose the letter B. Step 2 will be to select your key type. If you're not sure what your key type is, scroll down the page and you will see examples of key types. Upon scrolling to the bottom of the page, we will now compare the examples of the key types with the actual hinge. We can see that the key type AC07 is a match. The way to determine a match of key types is to make sure the mounting points are the same as the example, and also the hinge shape and eyelets match up. Here is another example of matching using key type AC06. You can see the arrows pointing to the mounting points, which are in the same position as AC06 in the picture. You can also see here that the eyelets in the hinge for key type AC06 also match up with the example in the picture. Next, we will select AC07 as the key type, and then click Add to Cart. If you need additional keys, just repeat the process. Otherwise, you can click on View Cart or proceed to checkout to finish the order.